Very good morning, students, and Jai Hind. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. Chapter 3, Theory Base of Accounting and Accounting Standard and Indian Accounting Standards. Basically, in this chapter, we will learn the theory related to our accounting rules and regulations and their principles. What the principles will follow in our accounting means when we preparing our accounts of a business, so then what the rules and regulation we have to follow. So those laws, rules, regulations, principles, concept, all these things we will learn from this chapter. What the Indian accounting standards say, that thing will also be learned. What the international accounting standards say, that thing is also we will learn from this chapter. So many things are there which are related to our accounting concept and principles and rule, regulations and guidelines. So all these things we learn from this chapter. So first of all, we are having a topic, meaning of accounting principles. What is the meaning of accounting principle? If we say so, accounting principle is a law or rule and regulations which follow a particular guidelines to prepare the accounts of a particular business for a time period. Okay, what are the law, rule, regulations are there related to the accounts, and after follow those law and rules and guidelines which are prepared by according to accounting standard, so those law and rule we have to follow in our accounting, and then we have to give a systematic format for our accounts. So that's why these accounts can be understandable by each and every users of the accounts. Okay, so meaning of the accounting principles. So principles means the guidelines which are prepared, which are given by our accounting standard और इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड और इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, जो हमारी कुछ गाइडलाइंस प्रिपेयर की जाती हैं इन अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स के अंदर, कुछ कंसेप्ट बनाए जाते हैं जिनके बेसिस पर हम अपने अकाउंट्स प्रिपेयर करते हैं, हम अपने फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, फाइनल अकाउंट्स को प्रिपेयर करते हैं अपने बिजनेस के. So these are the accounting principles. Generally, these accounting principles accepted by all business organizations. Okay, all the businesses are there, and those business are preparing their accounts. They will follow a same rule regulations to prepare their accounts. Okay, so generally these are accepted by each and every business who are preparing their accounts. So accounting principle concept and convention commonly known as generally accepted accounting principles. Accounting principles, or we can say in a short form, that is GAAP. Are the basic rules that define the parameter that define the parameters and constraints constant which within which accounting operates. Okay, so this is the meaning of accounting principles by which a business has to follow the rule and regulations related to prepare or related to operate of their accounting. So basically we have to think about the accounting principles commonly known GAAP are basic rules that are define the parameter and constraint within which accounting operates. So these are the things in which we have to be focused more in this definition. So these words will complete the definition of accounting principles. So these principles are classified into two categories. So these principles are classified into two categories. First one is accounting concept. First one is accounting concepts. Basically accounting concepts show the fundamental propositions or the basic rule regulations which we follow in our accounting. That thing is a accounting concept. Whatever the accounting standard prepared, whatever the rule regulations are prepared by the accounting standard, those rule regulations or guidelines we have to follow in our accounting. So that is the accounting concept. Okay, so this is the basic fundamental rule regulations which we have to follow in our accounting. Second thing is accounting conventions. Second thing is accounting convention. Accounting convention show what are the rule regulations we have follow in our accounting concept. According to that, outcomes come. What the outcomes come from the those rules and regulations. That is the accounting conventions. Okay, so here is a fundamental rules are followed, but over here the outcomes after followed the rules of accounting principle. That is the accounting convention. Okay, so These are the two classifications of the principles, the accounting principles. So now we have some features of accounting principles. So the features of accounting principles. So the features say how accounting principles are used and how the accounting principles are used in accounts after the rule regulations are followed. So these things tell us after see the features of accounting principles in the accounting of a business की कोई भी अकाउंट्स हमने प्रिपेयर किए हैं तो उनके अंदर हाउ कैन वी कंफर्म कि देयर विल बी द अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स आर फॉलोड. So these feature will tell us yes, the accounting principles are followed in this particular accounting of the business. So the features are, first one is first feature is accounting principle accounting principle are man-made. Is it clear? These accounting principles are made by man. These are not made automatically, not naturally. These are made by human beings. What the rules regulations are followed in accounting principles? So these rule regulations are prepared by human being. So that's why accounting principle accounting principle are man-made and therefore they are the best possible suggestion based on practical experiences. Okay, so if the accounting principles are made by a human being, so these are the best possible suggestions which can be experienced by practically. When we preparing those accounts, so then we can experience those uh, experience by after doing that work by practically. Second, accounting principles are flexible. Accounting principles are flexible. It means we can change according to our requirement. So we don't have we don't have those principles which are rigged. Means these principles can be changed according to the useful of the uh, accounting practice, accounting experience, according to the transactions, according to the time period. So these accounting principles are changed. So when the new things include in our accounting, so then it can be changed for the betterment of these rule regulations. So first one, these are not rigged. these are not rigged and these can be change with time or uses. Okay, so these are not rigged. These can be changed according to time or with the time or the uses. So these are not rigged. So next principle is third. Accounting principles are generally accepted. Okay, accounting principles are generally accepted. There is no accounting principles which are not used in their business, but we can say it, not all the principles can be used, not all the principles are able to use in a particular accounting. So these principles are applied according to the transactions or according to the treatment we have done for our business. Okay, what the accounting transactions we have done according to that, these guidelines of accounting principles are followed in our accounting. So accounting principles are the basis and guidelines. So these bases are relevance, relevance means the transaction should be related to the uh, related to our business, and those transactions should be related to our useful users of the accounting informations, those who have required the accounting information. So according to that, the transactions should be there and rule regulations are should be there in our business, according to which we have prepared our accounting. Next one is objective. What is the purpose we are preparing our accounting and following the rule, regulation and the guidelines of the accounting? So there should be a objective. Okay, next one is feasibility or feasible. According to feasible, these accounting standards are can be understandable and these are not a complex. Complexity should not be there in our accounting, in according to which we are not able or users are not able to understand these accountings. Okay, so there are three features of accounting principles. So first one is accounting principles are man-made. These principles are made by human being. Important thing is this. And next one is accounting principles are flexible. Okay, so there is no rigidity in these principles, means a one time they are prepared then they will not be changeable. So we can change also according to the requirement or according to the time or according to the uses of these accounting principles are generally accepted. Whatever the business is there and if they are preparing their accounts, so then generally they will accept the accounting principles, and according to these principles they will prepare their accounts. So accounting principles are based or guidelines. So what are the base? Relevance would be there. Relevance means business transactions are related to the users, what are the transactions we have record. Next one is objective. If we preparing our account, so this there should be a objective to prepare their accounts or do practices for that. Feasibility, they should be understandable, not a complexity should be there in the business transactions or accounting, those are not able to understand also. So now we having the next topic is fundamental accounting assumptions or concept. What are the fundamental assumptions are used in our accounting principles और accounting concept? क्या चीज़ें हैं जो हम अपने अकाउंटिंग कंसेप्ट के अंदर यूज़ करते हैं बेसिकली. नाउ वी हैव टू लर्न दोज थिंग्स विच आर हेल्प टू लर्न द अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स. ओके, लेट्स सी स्टूडेंट्स. फंडामेंटल अकाउंटिंग assumptions or concept. Fundamental accounting assumptions or principles said when we prepare our accounts of a business, so what the rule, regulation and guidelines are followed to prepare our final account of the business. Okay, the final account हम prepare करते हैं अपने business के, so then what the rule, regulation, guidelines will follow in these accounts. So these are basically classify or recognize into three categories or in three policies. So these three policies we are going to discuss. So the first policy of these accounting is, first one is going concern assumptions. Going concern assumptions. Anything we are considering after read this word? Going concern. Going means जाना, जाते रहना, continue. Okay, so going concern assumption said if we have started a business, so that business is started for that purpose, in future we are not going to wind up that business and this business will continue. Okay, this business will continue, so business will not wind up. Due to that concept we all are started our business. हम इसी पर्पज से बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं कि इन फ्यूचर हम इस बिज़नेस को बंद नहीं करने वाले, और एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी इन्वेस्टेड आर अमाउंट, वी इन्वेस्टेड आर कैपिटल एसेट्स in that business, so that business will be continue for a long life. So that thing is say going concern assumptions. So according to these assumptions, according to these assumptions, it is assumed that business shall continue for a foreseeable period and there is no intention to close. ओके, बिजनेस जो स्टार्ट हुआ है इसको इस पर्पज़ से, इस इंटेंशन से स्टार्ट किया है कि वो कंटिन्यू चलता रहेगा फोर्सेबल पीरियड तक और क्लोज नहीं होने वाला. सो द बिजनेस क्लोज द बिजनेस और स्केल डाउन इट्स operations significantly. Okay, basically the things on which we have to be concentrate. According to these assumptions, it is assumed that business shall continue for foreseeable period. There is no intention to close the business, scale down its operation significantly. It means इसका जो ऑपरेशन है इसको हम कंटिन्यू चलाते रहेंगे. इट मीन्स इसमें कोई भी हमारा ये रीज़न नहीं होगा या हमारा कोई इंटेंशन नहीं होगा कि हम इस बिज़नेस का जो प्रोडक्शन है या ऑपरेशन है इसको कभी कम करने वाले हैं. सो दैट पर्पस वी स्टार्टेड अ बिजनेस. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज, नेक्स्ट assumptions is second, consistency assumptions. Consistency assumptions say there is no change in their rule regulation, there is no change in their accounting formatting and preparation, their final account, they will not change any rule regulation and their guidelines. It means once what the guidelines, rule regulations they follow it in their accounts, so they will follow these accounting formatting or the rule regulations year by year. Is it clear? So accounting according to the consistency assumptions accounting practices once selected and adopted should be applied consistently year after year. Okay, there no change will be required. One concept if they follow, so then they will follow that concept. But features say accounting principles are flexible, so they will change, and if there is need of change for the betterment of their accounting, so then they can change also. बट हम अगर बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करें और एक बार हमने अकाउंटिंग प्रैक्टिसेस या एक बार फॉर्मेट फॉलो किया है तो वही फॉलो हमें कंटिन्यूस करते जाना है. इस इंटेंशन से हम अपने अकाउंटिंग एजम्पशंस को यूज़ करते हैं. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कंसिस्टेंसी एजम्पशन, अकाउंटिंग प्रैक्टिसेस once selected or adopted should be applied consistently year after year by year. This accounting practice we will follow in our accounting. So next principle is accrual assumptions. Accrual assumptions say the transaction if we have done on today, but that transaction not done in cash, and the settlement of the transaction will be in future after 10 days. So we have to record the transaction on that date in which it has happened, not in on the day of settlement. मीन्स जिस डेट में ट्रांजेक्शन हुई है हमें उस डेट में उस ट्रांजेक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करना है. ये नहीं सोचना है कि जिस डेट में इसका सेटलमेंट होगा उस डेट में हमें उसको रिकॉर्ड करना है. तो इट मीन्स एक्रूअल से नॉट ओनली द कैश ट्रांजेक्शंस, all the transactions which is occurred for a time period of a accounting time period will be there. So on that accounting period we will record all those transactions which are happened for that time duration. Okay, we don't have need to wait for the settlement of those transactions. So according to the accrual assumptions, a transactions is recorded in the books of account at the time when it is entered into, and not when the settlement takes place. ओके, हमें वेट नहीं करना है कि उसका सेटलमेंट कब होगा,